Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the ROI of Axie Infinity Ronin Bridge tutorial. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game, and the Ronin Bridge is a key component that enables seamless transactions between the game and other blockchain networks. To begin with, let's define what ROI means. ROI stands for return on investment, which is a financial metric that calculates the gain or loss generated by an investment. In the context of Axie Infinity and the Ronin Bridge, ROI is crucial to understanding the profitability of investing in the game's assets. The Ronin Bridge is a cross-chain bridge that allows users to transfer assets between the Ronin network and other blockchain networks such as Ethereum. This bridge is essential for players who want to buy, sell, or trade Axie Infinity assets. To calculate the ROI of Axie Infinity using the Ronin Bridge, you need to consider several factors, including the cost of assets, transaction fees, and the price of Ethereum gas. The cost of assets refers to the price of Axies, land, and other in-game items, while transaction fees are the costs associated with transferring assets across the bridge. For example, let's say you buy an Axie for 0.1 Ethereum and transfer it to the Ronin network using the bridge. If the transaction fee is 0.01 Ethereum, your total cost would be 0.11 Ethereum. If you sell the Axie for 0.15 Ethereum, your profit would be 0.04 Ethereum, and your ROI would be approximately 36%. Best practices for maximizing ROI on Axie Infinity using the Ronin Bridge include monitoring the market prices of assets, minimizing transaction fees, and using the bridge during periods of low network congestion. It's also essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in the Axie Infinity ecosystem and the Ronin Bridge to make informed investment decisions. In conclusion, calculating the ROI of Axie Infinity using the Ronin Bridge requires careful consideration of several factors, including asset prices, transaction fees, and network congestion. By following best practices and staying informed, you can maximize your ROI and make the most of your investment in Axie Infinity.